In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create knowledge base using Google Sites. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized hub your team can use to find answers fast. First, open your browser and go to sites.google.com. On the homepage, you can start from scratch by clicking the plus icon for a blank site, or speed things up by choosing a knowledge base template from the template gallery. Templates come with pre-built sections and consistent formatting, which can save time and keep your layout clean. If you like total control, the blank option works great too. Once the editor opens, you'll see three main panels: Insert, Pages, and Themes on the right, and a live preview of your site in the center. Next, give your site a clear name and title. Click the site name at the top left to set how it will appear in your workspace. Then click the page title area on the homepage to write a descriptive, user-friendly title like Company Knowledge Base. Use a subtitle or short tagline to explain what's inside, such as policies, how-to guides, and troubleshooting. Keep titles concise and consistent so people immediately understand they're in the right place. Now, organize your content by adding pages using the Pages tab. Click the plus icon to create a page for each main topic, such as policies, onboarding, tools, or support. If you have a lot of information, create subpages to group related content under a main category. For example, under tools, you might add email, project management, and file storage. Think about the questions people ask most often and reflect that in your structure. Use short, clear page names and avoid jargon so anyone can navigate with confidence. With your structure in place, switch to the Insert tab to build each page. Use text boxes for headings and brief explanations, then add images or videos to demonstrate steps or highlight key points. Tables can help you list articles with columns for title, category, and last updated date. Link directly to documents stored in your drive so information stays current in one source, and embed videos for walkthroughs when a visual guide is faster than reading. Keep content scannable with meaningful headings, bullet-free short paragraphs, and consistent formatting. Add alternative text to images where possible to support accessibility, and test your links so every resource opens correctly. If something feels cluttered, break it into a new page or a sub-page for easier reading. That's it, your knowledge base is taking shape. Build steadily, keep titles clear, and organize content by the way people actually search for answers. Thanks for watching and happy building.